Good morning, our celery first with shiratake rice. Happy Father's Day. Because of his meds, we eat first the soup and then later the chicken wings.
If they come.
Morning mo na mo.
Good morning. I'm busy selecting my food. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Let's eat, guys. Dada. Waiting for Lala Move from Brother Dondon's place. Chicken wings. Order kayo sa kanya, guys. Masarap yan. Sa Facebook nila. Dondon Remigio. Yan. Pa-deliver through Lala Move. Waiting. Pero galing na rin ako nagluto ng celery soup. Kumain na rin kami with shiratake rice para sa may laman yung tiyan pag minom ng meds yung aking hubby. So, next is chicken. Nakainom na rin siya ng meds. Tapos, nakakain na din kami. Yung ginawa kong soup today, hindi mawawala yung celery soup with shiratake rice. Yung protein, mamaya na. Yung sa wings na. Okay. Kaya haggard din yung lola. Galing nagluto sa baba. Kakain dito sa taas. O, diba? Ganun lang ang buhay. Kailangan din tayong kumilos-kilos. Yes. Dumating na sa wakas si Kuya. Salamat. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yan. Dumating na ang food from Brother Dondon. And Sister Leah. Okay, what for? 5. Okay. The food from Brother Dondon and Sister Leah. Thank you. Wow, salamat. Just arrived. Spicy. Sweet and spicy. Yay. Salted egg. Yay. Sarap neto. Soy sauce. Soy garlic. Barbecue. Wow. Thank you. Yan. Hinihit natin sa oven bago natin kainin. Para safety kasi mainit sa Pinas. Tropical area, we need to heat the food. Salamat. Ganda. Ginawa niya lang amusement place. Pwedeng maglaro. Ayan o. Lalaro sila. Ganda. Ayan o. ayan guys, yung chicken na pinag-heat natin. Ito yung salted egg. Ito yung sweet and sour. Ito yung soy and garlic. Ay no, adobo pala, sorry. Adobo. Ay, barbecue, sorry. My asawa enjoyed the taste. What is your verdict, boss? Tell that to Brother Dondon and Sister Leia.
Shut up. But I like more if it is bigger part from the chicken.
Side part.
Oh, very good taste.
Happy Father's Day, Sucha!
Yeah. No. We have a lot of bones.
Yeah, and then I love this too, banana. And ako makakaubos niyan because my asawa is diabetic, tikim-tikim lang yan. So, let's try. Soy garlic. Mas lalong sumarap na. Naging mainit siya, nilagay natin sa oven. Kasi pag hindi mo siya initin, delikado din, di ba? Ibahe pa to eh. Kailangan you heat first before eating. Kasi tropical area ang Pilipinas. Sobrang init. Sarap. Soy garlic to. Mamaya, ano talagang pinaka masarap sa atin. Para alam niyo, Brother Dondon and Sister Leia. But for my asawa, sarap all, he said. Which is true. Even the bones, I eat the bone.
Me not.
Parang ako ang Father's Day kasi asawa ko ayaw sa camera ay aloof. Nahiya siya sa camera. Yum. Tingnan mo, nagkakamay din siya. I said you're using your hands. Enjoy. Very good. Now I will put sweet and sour for you.
What we wrong today?
Later. Okay. I thought you're almost done. See? He's ashamed in the camera, guys. Sorry. It's like it is my day today, not Father's Day.
Exactly.
Pasensya na kasi hindi pa ako naka-arrange kasi hindi pa ako tapos sa baba. Hindi pa ako talaga nagluluto. Kasi advance payment yan sa electricity.
It's too hot in the microwave. It's too.
Crispy.
Yeah, but
Yeah, but we need to heat because of the heat. Protection of the our tummy. Especially you, sensitive tummy. Nakaisa na ako sa meron pa ako soy garlic. My next, adobo. At barbecue. Barbecue. I miss adobo kasi 3 for me, 3 for him. So, up. Para kami nagka-camping dito. Dito kasi kami completely transferred. Tapusin namin yung sa baba kasi sayang ng electricity. Advance payment parating ng asawa ko. We need to use electricity. Panalo, barbecue. Panalo.
you hear the ship?
Yan yung favorite niya. Zero Coca-Cola. Ina-allow din naman ni Doc yan. Chocolate, ina-allow din sa kanya. Sa diabetes doctor niya. Nahihiya siya sa camera. He's ashamed. Kakaroon yung lula. Time check, 12:39. Tama lang. Sarap din ang barbecue. Panalo. That's it, guys. Lalagay ko sa description saan kayo mag-order. Don Dominio. Together with his wife, Sister Leia. Leia's Kitchen at Miss Paula. Ka-brother namin yan sa Simaco Catholic Charismatic Community. Headed by our head servant, Brother Jim Cabrera. Tignan mo, nakain ko pa yung buto. Yan. Pag mag-chicken na kami dito, ako yung kumakain sa tira ng asawa ko. ko yung dog in the house. Kasi diba sayang? Others kasi yung food tapos magtatapon-tapon ka. Ano? Tinitikman ko isa-isa. Tapos kakainin ko lahat later. Kasi palubat ng phone ko. You know whether it's
What is
charged.
that now?
Sweet and sour.
Oh, which one? Only two.
This one was.
I must have whether there's a lot
That
of...
one.
No. 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 Because it's hard to wait.
Tapos na ako sa barbecue. I will taste sweet and sour.
For me, the barbecue is the best.
For me also at the moment, barbecue, panalo. Alam mo na, brother Don Ben, Sister Leia, barbecue is the best at the moment. But all are the best. Pero nag-stand out, barbecue. Sweet and sour ka, guys. Sarap din. Papasayaw ka sa sarap. It's hot, sorry. Hot. Sweet and spicy, sarap also. I'm sure Chacha, you love sweet and spicy because you love spicy din.
Also spicy.
Yeah. Want some? But for me,
Huh?
we are the same boat. Both the same. We love barbecue. All are best, but standing out is barbecue. All is best, but the most is barbecue.
That is knowing. That is what I like this.
Yeah, yeah. Wait till I give it to you.
I pay for that. No?
Okay. Next, because we have already sour garlic, sweet and sour barbecue. Next is the salted egg. I'll go taste one.
Me too. Then I have enough for today.
Good job. You know already we need to eat. Will I give you here? Huh?
Yeah, that one.
So yung gusto niyo, guys.
Give me two. Then the rest
Ooh,
is
I
for you.
smell the butter. Smells good. Ooh. For me, the next one is salted egg. The first that we'll have is barbecue. Next is salted egg. That's my taste. And then the third, sweet and spicy. The fourth, salt, garlic. And you, boss? The
I'm
first
eating. I'm not talking.
for you is barbecue. Second, sweet and spicy. Third is this one, salted. Fourth is raw garlic. Kain ko ulit yung bones. Sarap. Try nyo, guys. Hindi pa magsisisi.
Lost two. Yeah, you see the difference, Filipino and foreigner. You can show it on the camera.
Look, the difference between foreigner and
You
Filipino.
see, I have a lot of stuff left.
Me,
They're not
I just taste one by one first. Later,
Ooh.
the rest. Full na daw siya.
the last. Oh, you want to? I'm lying.
Kailangan ko siyang i-taste all para alam ko if you order again.
No, that is bottle.
I love it. Smells good. Promise. Amoy pa lang, tatapam ka na. Panalo.
Into it.
Nothing.
You have enough?
Not enough. Yeah. just recall what is the writings there. I'm full also, but I need to eat. So recap. Soy and garlic. Sweet and spicy. Sorry, nag-burp ako. Salted egg. Sorry, Lord. Barbecue. So, in my... First for me is barbecue. Second is salted egg. Third, sweet and spicy. Soy and garlic. And fourth. Alam niyo na. Salamat. So, can I taste the buns?
What?
I will taste this too. Two
You
for
did
this.
not eat
Only
your
one.
second?
I will eat that later. I told you I taste first. And then the banana there. Muffin.
What is that, banana?
No, the banana is there. This is the buns. Mmm. Yummy also. Taste this too. Two
You
for
did
this.
not eat your
Only one.
second?
I will eat that later. I told you I taste first. And then the banana there. Muffin.
What is that, banana?
No, the banana is there. This is the buns. Mmm. Yummy also. One for this. There is for my tawa.
I don't know.
And then we have half the... This one, we will do half.
No.
Mmm. Thank you, Brother Duncan, Sister Leia. Happy Father's Day to everyone. Yummy.
I made that salty, it's not salty.
Salted egg is the second one for me. Or you want the half here? No?
No, I could be the whole. Because I'm full. No. I'm out. That's a full, that's a half. I don't know, man.
You try it already before I ask you.
No, the best is gone. The cream.
I was thinking you will eat that, that's why. This one didn't taste. When will we taste this?
That's one. That's one.
Up to you, ah.
What?
I will eat half and you will eat half.
What is that, banana?
Banana muffins, I think.
I'm full, I need to get my hand first.
Wow. Yum, yum, yum. Lalo na asawa ko guys, mahilig sa sweets. Kaya nga diabetic yan. Kaya half sa kanya ito. Pag reklamo na naman yun, konti lang yun. Binigay ko sa kanya. Sometimes kasi guys, pamuhin mo yun yung food niya. Panalo. Sarap. Pag himagas ba? Although kakain pa ako sa the rest with chicken here. Pero, tikman ko muna. What's going on ba? Yummy, the muffins.
You keep on eating that.
Let's try. This is for you, but half. And you know my half.
No, but put that because it's not my style.
Muffin, I'm sure you love it. You love sweets, but not really sweet, huh? It's tama-tama lang. Yummy. Panalo. Thank you, bro. Cheese, thank you. Now, ubusin ko pa to. Itong may natira pa dito, siguro mamaya na to. Kasi hindi ko maubos natin. Kusog na rin yung asawa ko eh. Meron pa isa. Ako talaga magkakakain na yan. Okay. Kainin ko yung the rest. Panalo talaga.
Is that a towel bag?
Yeah, I always bring that wherever I go. That's the half, ah. Look, the half of the muffins. Yummy. I'm sure you like it. It's not so sweet.
Where's the banana?
Banana.
I don't know. Now it tastes the banana.
I like it. It's not so sweet. Tama-tama na.
Yeah. I like the banana more than that Korean thing there. The Korean is not my thing.
Korean.
Yes. Yeah.
Sinain ko pa yung buko. Sarap.
Banana is all right.
Ano man na bro, banana is masarap. He said. Banana muffins.
Yeah, the banana muffin. That's good. That's some place number 2 for me. The rest is about the food.
Him first now is barbecue. Like me also, first barbecue.
Yeah, there is now that that you put
There. Ah, plastic, I don't know. When it's flying over. Later, I will fix it. Kain muna tayo guys ha. Tapusin ko lang yung ano. At least nakataste-taste na tayo.
I will put the 200 piece of you there.
I'm full guys. Naubos ko yung nasa plato ko. Tapos ng asawa ko compared sa akin. Oh. Yan lang natira. Kinakain ko yung ibang buto. Sa asawa ko. Oh. Tapos na siya kanina pa. Torn. More bones. Compared sa akin. Konti lang natira. I'm full na talaga. Sarap. Mamaya ko na to kainin. Yung natira. 3. O diba? Plus may ban pa tayo doon. Kasi half kami nung ban kanina. Half kami nito kanina. So, akin na yan mamaya. Tapos naubos na namin yung ano, banana muffin. So, yun lang guys ha. Tapusin ko lang tong isa. Kasi, I'm full na talaga. Sarap, sobrang sarap. Saka sarap, busog ka na. Diba nag-burp na ako kanina? Burp ulit. Thank you so much. Thank you Lord ha. Bye bye.